friends, today we are going to learn object drawing. There are two types of objects, man-made and natural. But today we are going to learn man-made objects. So let's do. For this object drawing activity, we require A4 size drawing sheet, pencil, black sketch pen and oil pastel. First we will do the side border. First we have to divide this page into two parts. Take 5 finger distance from the border and draw one line. Today we are going to draw two types of man-made objects. One is the bucket and another is the broom. For that, first we will take 2 finger distance from the border of upper side and we will draw one random line. This line you have to draw it very lightly because this is the guideline. Then again take 1 finger distance. We have to draw one standing line. See, the bucket picture is symmetrical, so this line will help you to draw the picture symmetrically. Now from this point, 3 finger at the left side and 3 finger at the right side. Like this you have to take, and we are going to draw one oval. See, we have taken 1 finger distance and from this line also we will take 1 finger only. So both the side will come equal. Then both the side half centimeter 2 standing lines we will draw, approximately half centimeter. So you have to do randomly, no need to take the measurement. This is the curve line. So parallel to this line we will draw one more curve line here and we will join both the standing lines. See, after that from left side and from right side we will leave some distance and mark 2 points on this curve line. From down take 3 finger distance and mark and draw one random slipping line. It should be very light. Here we have taken 3 fingers from both the side. Here we will take 2 finger distance and we will join both this point which we have marked on the curve line. See, this is the basic structure of the bucket. Now we have to draw both this point by drawing a curve line. See, now here we will draw 2 curves, small curve. How we have drawn 1/2 centimeter line here. Here also we will draw very small curve line and then one more curve line we will join here to show the base of the bucket. From this ground line we will take 2 finger distance in the above part of the bucket and we will draw one slant line. This slant line from the bucket it will come approximately 2 to 3 finger distance. Then we will draw one broom here. First you have to draw reverse U, then joint it and then you can show this lines. See children, where we have drawn the first oval, inside that by leaving some space, one more small oval we will draw. This ground line also you have to border. After that we will show the handle also. Where we have drawn this middle line, there we will draw first one small square and one curved line touching to the ground line. And beside that one more curved line. Like this you have to show. This is the handle of the bucket. Now our picture is ready. Let's do the coloring. First we will color this below part with any shade of yellow. We have to give it very lightly. Don't give so much pressure and do. See children, I have given color here also because the lines which we are going to show on that ground color only. Now I will take violet color shades to color this bucket. Here we have to take dark violet, violet and the light violet. And first we will leave one highlight part here. Highlight we have to give white color. So I will start with the light violet color. See, light is from the left side. See. Both the side of the highlight we have to first give light violet color. Only the above part of the bucket highlight will come. Exactly opposite side the inside part will come. So if light is here, inside part the light will come at the right side. So here also I will use light violet color both the side of the highlight. Now I will take violet color to color the middle part. Now we will take the dark violet. After giving the dark violet, again I will take the violet and mix it to get the new shade and to give the shading effect. Always you have to remember, whenever you will mix both the colors together, you have to do the mixing with the previous color. Now the same dark violet I will give here. Now children, let's do the coloring of this part which is coming in front side. The same colors we have to use which we have used to give here. Where the highlight is there, above that this light violet will come. And here the highlight will come little bit at different place. I will take the violet, dark violet. The same colors we have to use which we have used to color this below part. Now again the dark violet I will just give here to give the depth to that picture. Now again we have to use the same colors over here for the below part. Dark violet, violet, light violet. Now to color this oval, behind we have to give violet color and inside we will give the light violet color. Then for handle also we will give the light violet because this part is dark, so we have to give light color. Here we will give violet color. Your bucket is ready. Now let's do the coloring of broom. To color the broom, for handle any color you can take of your choice. I am using grey color. Light is from the left side, so I will give dark color to the right and one highlight I will keep here. Now I will take different brown colors and color this broom. So light is from the left side, so to the left side I will use yellow ochre color. Then I will use brown color. Only you have to draw the lines. See, like this. The dark brown. Last, I'll add little bit black to give the more dark effect. Now let's do the shadow effect. If light is from the left side, shadow will come to the right side. Where the object is touching to the ground, there you have to give little bit dark black color and then mix it towards the right side in the yellow color. Don't give dark color till the end. Here only you have to use the dark. Then mix it. See children, your object drawing picture is ready. With the help of shade and light effect, we have shown different 3D effect objects.